Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync AMAZFIT Active Max data to Strava. So first we want to open up the Zepp app right here, and after that we want to go over to our profile. So click right here and then go to third party account linking. Here we need to find Strava, so it's the third one out of the top. And as you guys can see, my account is unlinked, so I'll just click here. We will be redirected to the Strava.com site. Now, all I have to do is click authorize right here. And as you guys can see, we have the authorization success. Now our Strava account is here. And as you guys can see, we already get notifications from Strava. So here we can also revoke the authorization if we want to get rid of this account. But whenever we go here and we go here, we can see that it's definitely linked. So this is how you guys can link it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.